Yo, good morning guys. Yeah, it's almost 8 o'clock. I'm going out. I'm going to clean the car today. Yeah, the interior of the car. Yeah, in preparation of the sound deadening that I'm going to do with it. I'm going to remove the wall first instead of cleaning. So yeah, I have these tools. Let's start with this one. This is the best time to do it because it's still early. Yeah, so it's not hot inside here. And you know, one thing I noticed is that during midday, when you get inside the car with the chimney, yeah, this was really hot. But here in the van, not too much hot. I actually have electric one, but I think it's okay. This manual, some are really tight. Some of these screws, they are really tight. Where to put this now? So when you're removing a wall like this, you need to start from the bottom, removing the screws so that you have control. Yeah, whenever it's not going to fall down. Yeah, it's similar to what I did with the back head here. I removed first all the screw in the bottom, and then it was still holding until I remove it there. It is really tiring. Yeah, some are really tight. This one is tight. That one is very tight. Also, this is very tight. I had a hard time removing it. Yeah, that's why I changed to this manual one. Can't remove it. Oh, it's slowly moving. Nice. Yeah, it's good to have tools like this readily available. So last two. Also remove this part first, because if we take this out, it is going to incline like this, while if we keep this in the middle, it will be still balanced. So remove this first. This one I tried already, very tight. Oh, okay. I actually have electric drill, but I'm not yet sure how to use that. I use that to drill the wood, but not to remove a screw yet. So this is the last. Oh, this is really tight. Yes, you know, it's giving me a neck pain because I can't stand properly because I'm tall. Okay, this is the tightest. Difficult. How come this last one is difficult to remove? Okay. Oh! Yeah, still I can't remove that screw. And in here, there is this kind of plastic screw, which is also difficult to remove. Yeah, just keep on rolling, but not removing. So I'm just going to break it. The same with this one, in the door. Yeah, I don't really know how to remove this. Like this way, just keep on rolling. I found a solution on how to remove this. Yeah, just remove the plastic screw. Yeah, it is good that I have all the device that I need, all the tools that I need. It's good that I have all the tools that is possible to remove this. I realized that this is actually really easy to remove. You just unscrew it like that, and then use something like this, and then pull it by your hand. Yeah, that easy. That is still my problem. I can't remove it yet. But in here I already removed the coverings, except this, not yet. If you hear the sound, yes, it's echoey. A collection of those echo is a noise. I am just going to break it. Yeah, I really can't remove this this one. Okay, look at that. Okay, finished. I'm going to do the roof once I have all the equipments I need. It is now 1:25. Yeah, after removing the wall from the car, yeah, I actually fall asleep. Just now I wake up, but I already took a shower, and I'm now ready to go outside. We're going to the shop. Yeah, I'm going to buy a sound deadening thing. And we are now here in the car, and I got a mail. I'm sure this is the replacement of my lost credit card. Yeah, if you remember when I met John and Charlene in Sydney, yeah, I lost my credit card at the train station. So this is the replacement. Yeah, it's 5 days. It arrives in 5 days. I actually received a message coming from the person who got my credit card, who found the credit card. Yeah, he sent me a message. Yeah, Robbie, did you lose your credit card? Yeah. And I replied, I said yes, and I said to him, thank you. And I said to him that he can discard it. And then he replied with a heart. And we are now here in Mayfield or Maitland. Here there is the super cheap. Yeah. And I actually come here in J car because I'm going to buy a sound deadening for this car. And you know, on the other side there is the same car. Yeah, very similar car. Volkswagen Transporter. The same. Amazing. Look at this. They have so many things in here, and I like it. Yeah, seeing things like this, I really enjoy browsing things like this. I've been to other J car and they are the same with this, but you know, some are smaller, so they don't have much. Like the one in Salamander Bay, that is partly J car, but so it is smaller. They don't have much like these things. And I found the Sound Deadener. That's the one. Yeah, the guy assists me, and so I got it. It's already in the counter, but I said I still need to browse. And now we're going to super cheap just to browse, and I end up buying 2 of this blind spot mirror. Okay, that's it. Yeah, I won't be able to record the driving because I don't know where to place my camera. Yeah, if I put here on the front, it's going to be very visible and very obvious. Yeah, when it is obvious, it is kind of a trigger to the police or to the other people or for the tip, you know. And we are now here in Nelson Bay. Yeah. And I actually bought a KFC and I'm going to eat here. This is the usual one, the original tenders box. It comes with the chips or fries, and this chicken tenders, a mashed potato and gravy, and this chicken pops. Since it is still early, I'm going to clean this floor. Yeah, I already have this water, and I'll just brush it like this. morning, guys. It is now 15 minutes to 7 o'clock. I've been awake maybe since 5:30. Yeah, and just now I'm going to have this coffee. We are going to the car now and going to start the renovation. No, what's that? Conservation? What's that? Van renovation? No. Van conversion. Yeah, we're going to start the van conversion. I can feel it. The floor is clean. When I was cleaning yesterday, I realized that I forgot to remove this. Yeah, you can hear the noise. Very noisy. I removed all the screw. I just hope that there is no anything inside this. Ah, there is a screw down there. Okay. And this is how it is. And these are the sound deadener that I bought yesterday. I bought 4. And this is how it is. Yeah, this is how it is. And yeah, this is basically aluminum foil, but it's hard, so it's dangerous. I mean, if you're not careful, you're going to cut a finger. And this is a sticker. I already cleaned the visible surface yesterday, but yeah, place like this inside, like down there, I did not wipe it yet. So just now I'm going to clean it. I'm going to be putting the sound deadener on the floor first, before the wall and before the ceiling. I need to cut this in pieces, and I'm going to put this in the every channel. Look at the difference of the sounds. So it means that this one is very thin, similar to this one. And on this side is thicker. Yeah, on this side, even if you don't need to put the sound deadener, because it's not echo way. Like this one, echo way. A lot of echo. But I'm still going to put luxury car. That's why it is very quiet. Is because of the sound deadener. While the regular car, they don't put sound deadener. Yeah, normal like this. I actually don't have a ruler, you know, something to flatten this, like applicator. That's why I'm using this. Never use your finger, because there is a big chance that you're going to hit the edge and you're going to cut your finger. Yeah. Look at this. I peel it a little bit and it's bleeding now. I already finished one roll of this sound deadener and already put in some places. Yeah. Another one. This is the brand, and it says Sound Deadener 1.5mm foil back white butyl matte. Stops vibrating sheet metal and road noise. Reduce cabin heat. High temperature handling 10 degrees centigrade to 110 degrees centigrade. Peel and stick application. The scissor that I am using is not good enough for this. I have bigger scissor, but yeah, I am using that for the kitchen. Oh, I just received a call that the window that is going to be installed here is already ready. Yeah, so later at 11 o'clock I am going to the Salamander Bay to install that window. Yeah, I really need that window here and also here, because yeah, when I am changing lanes, I always look at the back. Yeah, shoulder check. And without the window, is just relying on the mirror, side mirror, it's really not comfortable for me. I don't feel secure. I don't feel safe.